Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class. In this class, we will discuss the exercises of the chapter 3 Sources of Energy. This chapter you have studied earlier, and in this class, we will discuss and we will revise it through the exercises. So, let's begin with the first A, fill in the blanks. First is dash and dash are non-renewable sources of energy. First, you must know what is non-renewable sources of energy. That is energy sources which get used up and cannot be replenished or replaced in a short period of time. यानी कि जो यूज होने के बाद कम समय में दोबारा नहीं बन सकता. And these are petroleum and natural gas. So the answer is petroleum and natural gas are non-renewable sources of energy. Second is dash is a major renewable natural resource. A renewable sources of energy is a natural resource that can be replenished itself naturally over a short period of time. यानी कि जिसको एक बार हम यूज़ कर ले तो थोड़े समय के बाद फिर से वापस आ सकता है. दैट इज वुड. थर्ड इज द प्रोसेस इन विच coal is strongly heated in the absence of air is known as dash. We know that strong heating of coal in absence of air is called destructive distillation. We obtained many products like coke, coal tar and coal gas through the destructive distillation of coal. So the answer is destructive distillation here. The process in which coal is strongly heated in the absence of air is known as destructive distillation. Fourth is in oil wells, dash is always found above the layer of petroleum. Through the chapter we know that natural gas is found above petroleum. It is trapped between the rock cap and the petroleum layer. So the answer is in oil wells, natural gas is always found above the layer of petroleum. Coal tar is a black viscous liquid obtained by destructive distillation of coal. How it is the answer? Because we know we obtain coal tar through the destructive distillation of coal. It is a black colored viscous liquid. So that was the fill in the blanks. Now true or false. Question number B. It is either true or false. Let's decide. First, fossil fuels are renewable natural resources. We know that these energy sources which get used up and cannot be replaced or replenished in a short period of time. So it is non-renewable natural resources. So answer is false. Anthracite has higher carbon content than lignite. We know that anthracite coal has 90% carbon. So it is regarded as the highest grade coal. So answer is true. Coke can be used to make fuel gases. Coke can be used to make fuel gases like water gas. So it is true. Natural gas is found below the petroleum layer. It is false. Why? Because natural gas is found above petroleum. Burning of fossil fuel is a major sources of energy, sources of pollution. Sorry. Burning of fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum products is a major sources of pollution. It is true. Okay. See, take the correct option. Okay. So you will get four options here. We have to decide one correct option. So let's discuss. The highest grade of coal is known as not lignite, not bituminous, not peat. Anthracite is regarded as the highest grade coal because anthracite coal has 90% carbon. So the answer is anthracite. Question number 2. Coke and coal tar are obtained from. We obtain coke and coal tar through the destructive distillation of coal, not the petroleum, natural gas, or diesel. So the answer is coal. Next question is, different types of coal generally have the options are same content of volatile material and same percentage of carbon. That is not correct. Same content of volatile material but different percentage of carbon. That is again not true. Different content of volatile material but same percentage of carbon. No. Different content of volatile material as well as different percentage of carbon. It is correct. Different types of coal differ from each other in terms of their content of volatile material and the percentage of carbon, moisture, and other elements present in them. So the answer is different types of coal generally have the different content of volatile material as well as different percentage of carbon. Fourth is a product that is not obtained through the refining of petroleum. We know that petroleum is a mixture of various materials which are separated from one another by the process of refining of petroleum, and we get diesel, kerosene, petrol, but not the coal gas. So the answer is coal gas. A product that is not obtained through the refining of petroleum is coal gas. Fifth is, which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Okay. Coal, diesel, and petrol are the non-renewable sources of energy, but the tidal energy is a renewable source of energy. So the answer is, which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Is tidal energy. In the next class, we will discuss question number D and question number E. Today we have discussed fill in the blanks, true or false, and the tick. The correct option means 3 questions and their answer. We will continue this exercises in the next class, and in that class we will try to finish this exercises. Now you have to write the question and answer in your note copy and also try to memorize it, and you must try to understand the best possible answer, and I hope you are revising the chapter also and you are also maintaining your health and precautions. So this time, thank you all.